I'm 94, I live alone, and I don't take a single pill. No nurse, no walker, no cane. I cook my own meals, I go for daily walks, and I sleep like a baby. Most people assume I must have won the genetic lottery, but the truth is far simpler. I just do 5 small things each morning that nearly anyone can do, and in today's video, I'm going to share all 5 with you. But here's the catch. You must stay until the very end, because habit 5 is the most surprising, the most misunderstood, and the most life-changing of them all. And if you skip it, you'll miss the one key that ties all the others together. So stay with me, because this isn't just a video, it's a wake-up call that could completely change the way you age. Before we dive in, I want to ask something from you. If even one part of this video speaks to you, please like it, share it with someone you love, and subscribe to our channel, True Wisdom Inspires, because we're building a space where growing older means growing stronger. And please, leave a comment below which habit will you start tomorrow, or ask me a question. I read every one. Now, let's begin. Habit 1, the 30-second ritual that reverses brain fog. Every morning, I wake up and do one simple thing. Before coffee, before tea, before anything, I drink a 16-ounce glass of room temperature water with just a pinch of natural salt. That's it. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Researchers at Johns Hopkins found that even mild dehydration reduces brain function by 27% and increases inflammation in adults over 65 by over 30%. That means when you wake up dehydrated, which nearly all of us do, you're starting the day already at a disadvantage. Think about Eleanor. She was 82, constantly dizzy and fatigued, trying one medication after another. The fix wasn't more pills, it was morning hydration. Within 2 weeks of starting this ritual, her headaches vanished and her energy returned. It's not magic, it's just physiology. Water is the conductor of every process in your body. Without it, the systems break down. So, tonight, before bed, set a glass on your nightstand, room temperature. Add a pinch of sea salt. Tomorrow, drink it the moment your eyes open. Your cells are begging for it. Habit 2, the light that keeps me young. If you miss your morning light, you miss your body's natural reset button. Early sunlight triggers a wave of healing inside you, boosting serotonin, balancing hormones, and resetting your internal clock. According to Stanford researchers, just 10-15 minutes of natural morning light can increase serotonin by 42% in older adults. The key is timing. You need to step outside within 30 minutes of waking, even if it's cloudy, even if it's cold, and no sunglasses. Your eyes need to absorb that light, unfiltered, for the effect to work. Take Robert, 78. He walked every day, but always in the afternoon. When he shifted to mornings, his sleep improved so drastically he got off his sleep medication. That's the power of aligning with your biology. Your body wants to function better, you just have to give it the right signals, and morning sunlight is one of the most powerful ones you'll ever find. Habit 3, the 4-minute brain booster. This one still amazes me. Neuroscientists at Harvard discovered that every morning your brain is in a supercharged state of plasticity, meaning it's ready to form and strengthen connections, but only for a short window right after waking. So here's what I do. Solve one simple math problem. Recall one detailed memory. Learn 4 new words. Visualize my day from start to finish. It takes less than 4 minutes, but it activates all major parts of the brain: logic, memory, language, and executive function. Margaret, 86, did this during her hip surgery recovery. She couldn't move much, but she never skipped this morning brain habit. Months later, her doctor said her mind was sharper than many of his 60-year-old patients. Your brain is a garden. Water it with intention, especially in the morning. If you've made it this far in the video, you're already ahead of 90% of people. And if this is helping you, please click like so more people can find it. Habit 4, mobility that heals, not harms. Here's the truth. Most senior stretching routines do more harm than good. After age 70, your tissues change. Your joints need gentle activation, not aggressive stretching. Instead of toe touches or neck rolls, I do what I call the inside-out mobility sequence. Shoulder circles, 30 seconds. Seated, marching, doorway chest expansions, 30 seconds. Supported squats, 1 minute. Ankle circles, 30 seconds each foot. It's simple and it takes less than 7 minutes, but the results are powerful. After just 2 weeks, stiffness fades, posture improves, and confidence returns. Thomas, 85, had been using a walker until he replaced his old stretching routine with this. Within a month, he was walking on his own again. Movement is medicine, if it's the right kind of movement. Don't just stretch, activate. Habits 5, the breakfast that preserves muscle. This is the one habit almost nobody talks about, but it might be the most important of all. After age 60, your body becomes resistant to building muscle. This is called anabolic resistance. And if you don't time your protein correctly, you start losing muscle, even if you eat enough throughout the day. Most seniors eat carbs for breakfast, toast, fruit, cereal, and protein at dinner. That's backwards. Here's the fix. Eat 25-30 grams of protein within 30 minutes after your morning movement. That's when your muscles are most receptive. Good choices include eggs with cottage cheese, Greek yogurt with protein powder, a smoothie with whey protein and collagen. Barbara, 91, did this. She thought she was getting weaker with age. In reality, she was just eating the right food at the wrong time. Once she fixed it, she regained her strength, balance, and even her confidence. Avoid sugary breakfasts. They spike insulin, crash energy, and waste your muscle-building window. Protein in the morning is your armor against age decline. Your mornings create your future. I've lived 94 years, and I'm telling you this. Health isn't about expensive pills, secret supplements, or miracle cures. It's about what you do consistently, especially in the morning. These 5 habits aren't hard. They're not time-consuming, but they work because they align with your body's natural wisdom. So here's your challenge. Try one tomorrow. Comment below which one you'll start. Share this video with someone you care about. And please subscribe to True Wisdom Inspires so we can keep growing stronger together. You have more power than you think. Your next 10, 20, even 30 years can be filled with energy, clarity, and joy. Don't let age define you. Let your habits define your future. Make tomorrow morning count because your body is listening and it's ready to thrive.